So we have this question: what number does LXI represent? Now, before we take this question, I want you to remember the unique Roman numeral symbols. So we have I for 1, we have V for 5, we have X for 10, we have L for 50, we have C for 100, we have D for 500, and then we have M for 1000. Now, one thing you need to notice: when a smaller symbol is at the front, you add. When a smaller symbol is behind a larger symbol, you subtract. Now let's put this into practice. So we have, what number does LXI represent? Now we are going to take them one by one. L is 50, X is 10, it's in front, so we add. I is 1. So we are going to be having 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. So LXI is 61. Does that make sense? Let's take another question. So we've got this question: what number does XCV represent? Now in this case, you can see that we have a smaller symbol behind a bigger symbol, so we subtract first. So XC would be 100 minus 10. Can you see? C is 100, X is 10. So 100 minus 10. Then we have plus V is 5. Do you understand that? Now, because we have XC, a smaller symbol behind a bigger symbol, we four of us subtract this. We subtract X, which is 10, from C, which is 100. And then we now add V, which is 5. Does that make sense? So this will give us 100 minus 10 is 90. So we have 90 plus 5, which is 95. I hope you understand. Let's take one more question. So in this case, we have, what does XXXIV represent? So we have XXXIV. Now X is 10, X is 10, X is 10. Now we've got IV. I is smaller than V, and is behind V, so we have to subtract here. V is 5, so we have 5 minus I is 1. Does this make sense? So we have to rewrite this. We are going to be having 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. Now if we add this together, we'll be having 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this is 34. I hope you understand.